Hello students, myself Kushali Satpute. Again welcome to Sham Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. So students, in our 5th class EVS first subject and the chapter the Earth and its living world. So in this chapter in previous some lectures we learn about lithosphere, atmosphere and also water cycle and like this many subtopics. So, in this lecture, we have to learn our last subtopic of this chapter, biosphere. So, students, what is meaning of biosphere? The part of the Earth's surface and the atmosphere in which plants and animals can live. Again, listen definition. The part of Earth's surface and atmosphere in which plants and animals can live. One more definition of biosphere is the area of the planet where the living things can live. Okay students, so you see in your textbook. I will explain this topic. So students, what is mean of biosphere? The biosphere is defined as the area of the planet where organisms live, including the ground and the air. Again listen, the biosphere is defined as the area of the planet where organisms live, including the ground and the air. An example of the biosphere is where life occurs on, above and below the surface of the earth. Where? On, above and below the surface of the earth. Students, by the most general biophysiological definition, the biosphere is the global ecological system integrating all living beings and their relationships, including their interaction with the elements of the lithosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere. So, students, see in your book. There are innumerable. What is mean of innumerable? Innumerable means countless kind of living things on the earth. The various regions of the earth differ in many ways. Students, various regions or various parts of the earth differ in many ways. Means these are same? No, these are not same or these are different. Some regions are always covered with ice while others have a hot climate. There are mountains in some places. Students, already we learn. In our earth, many portion of the earth surface is covered with grass or some portion is covered with ice. Some mountains in there are some mountains in very places and plains in others. So there are mountains in some places and plains in other. Some places have a lot of rainfall while others are dry desert. Students, you know in desert there is very rainy season or there is rainfall is in larger quantity. No, some places there are lot of rainfall, but there are some places in our earth surface or on our earth surface where is desert, means there is rainfall is very short. There are salty seas and oceans and also freshwater lakes. Students, take example of water. On our complete earth, there is water is fully salty? No. Or there is water of fully lakes? No. Or water fully with oceans? No. Students, place wise there are salty seas and some places there are oceans and also fresh water which we use for drinking, and at some places there are lakes. The ocean is shallow near the coast, but away from the coastline the ocean can be several kilometers deep. You know ocean. How is ocean? Ocean can be several kilometers deep. Now student, next paragraph. We see a great variety in the living things that inhabit these different regions. So students, there are many living organisms, and living organisms share characteristics such as ability to move and reproduce. There are different types of living organisms including plants, animals, fungi, bacteria and also protectics. Okay students, means different living things are seen in different places. For example, the polar bear is seen only in snowbound polar region. Then zebra are found in Africa and kangaroos are found only in Australia. So, listen, the polar bear is seen only in snowbound polar regions. Means students, most of the polar bears occurs north of the Arctic Circle to the North Pole. There are some populations south of the Arctic Circle in the Canada. Now next example is given here. Zebra. Zebras are found in Africa and they all live in Africa. Each species of zebra has its own home area. Plains zebras live in the treeless grasslands and woodlands of eastern and southern Africa. Means students, these animals are not found in any other regions. Then look here, kangaroos are found only in Australia. Means only in Australia kangaroos are live. Means they do not found in any other area. They are identified by their muscular tails, strong back legs, large feet and pointed ears. Students, not only animals but also plants in all these different regions also show a great variety. Means students, on our earth only animals are present? No students. But also various plants are available on our earth. In all these different regions also show a great variety. Means there are various variety of plants. Some plants are high in length, but some plants are very short. Means many different kinds of plants, animals, microorganisms are found in lithosphere, hydrosphere and also atmosphere. They also interact with these spheres. Now students, I will explain some importance of biosphere. You listen carefully. The biosphere is as important as life itself because it is all of life. Means without the biosphere, the earth would be lifeless. Planets such as Mars or Venus. Means without biosphere, our earth's life is lifeless. Means our earth would be a lifeless. Human can have a huge impact on the biosphere in the both good and bad ways. The growth of the human population on earth means there is less room for other species. Do you understand students? Biosphere. Look here. Here some pictures are given. Here are some animals and here some plants. Means there are only animals on our earth? No. Also plants and animals are available on our earth with their great variety, the living things that inhabit these different regions. So, do you understand students biosphere? Again listen, once again definition of biosphere. What is mean of biosphere? The part of Earth's surface and atmosphere in which plants and animals can live. Do you understand students? Okay, here our chapter, the Earth and its living world is over. Next in next lecture we will learn exercise of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.